Hello guys, I hope you are doing well, and in this video we will see how we can apply the schema while reading a CSV files. Okay, so here in last video we have seen how we can read a schema. So these are the two methods by which we can read a CSV file. So for schema, first we need to create a schema. So while schema equal to struct type, we need to import struct type. Okay, and here write array, and then we need to add a struct field. Okay, in struct field first we will give the column name. So here we have name, company name, so we need to copy from here. Okay, and put here, and then give one column name is company name, and then after that we give the type string type. Okay, string type. Okay, and then give true. Okay, so here third you can say argument is that when there is a null value and we want to read nullable columns. Okay, so in this case we will give the true, and we need to always give the true here, because we if we will give false, and if the column value is null, so it will give the runtime exceptions. Okay, so always give the true value here, and then next field just copy it and paste it. Okay, and the second one company, and third one city, fourth one country, salary. Then apply comma. Okay, there control shift F, and then remove this one, control shift F. Okay, and then invoke the option again. Option, no, not option, you need to invoke schema. Okay, so in here we have mentioned the schema, and then we have applied the schema, and we want to show. Okay, control S, and then run it. It is running. Okay, so it has read. Okay, and for example, if we want to add a one new columns. Okay, so here we can add it. So what you can do here, control C, and then again phone numbers. Okay, phone, and then run it again. Okay, So here one new column is added with a null value. Okay, and then one thing you can do, what you control X and put here, control V, and again run it. What is the impact if we will change the positions? Okay, we need to see. So here you can see when we change the positions, so city column, okay, is coming here, but in you can say CSV files. So in CSV files you can see first name, then company name, okay, then city. Okay, so if you change the positions, so it reflect the data. Okay, so the you can say sequence of column should be same as the sequence which is mentioned in the CSV files. Okay, otherwise your data should be loaded wrongly. Okay, like say in this case city is you can say city columns get the data of a company, and company column get the data of city. Okay, so always remember a always remember we need to have the same sequence in the schema as mentioned in CSV files. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys.